Ever imagined having a cinema in your pocket? Imagine being able to carry a full-fledged entertainment system wherever you go, without the bulk and hassle of traditional projectors. Well, XGME just made it possible with its best portable foldable projector. This isn't just any projector, it's a game-changer in the world of portable entertainment. Compact, powerful, and packed with smart features, this might just be the best mini projector of 2025. Imagine the convenience of having a high-quality projector that fits right in your bag, ready to deliver stunning visuals anytime, anywhere. Let's dive in. First up, design. The XGME foldable projector is a masterpiece of portability. Its sleek and modern design makes it not only functional, but also a stylish accessory for any tech enthusiast. First up, design. The XGME foldable projector is a masterpiece of portability. Ultra lightweight and compact, making it perfect for travel. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just someone who loves to have movie nights at different locations, this projector is designed to be your perfect companion. Foldable stand that adjusts for the perfect viewing angle. No more struggling to find the right position. This stand ensures you get the best view every time. Premium finish that feels as good as it looks. The attention to detail in its design is evident, making it a device you'll be proud to show off. It's minimalist, stylish, and built for convenience. Every aspect of its design has been carefully thought out to ensure maximum usability and aesthetic appeal. Don't let the size fool you. This tiny beast packs a punch. Despite its small size, it delivers performance that rivals much larger projectors. Delivers a full HD 1080p resolution with vibrant colors. The image quality is nothing short of spectacular, with sharp details and vivid colors that bring your content to life. 800 ANSI lumens for a crisp, bright display, even in well-lit spaces. You won't have to worry about dim images, even in rooms with plenty of ambient light. Supports HDR10 for deeper blacks and enhanced contrast. This means you'll get a more dynamic and immersive viewing experience, with better detail in both dark and bright scenes. The picture quality is unmatched in the portable projector category. It's like having a high-end home theater system that you can take with you wherever you go. XGME goes beyond just good visuals with its smart features. This projector is not just about great picture quality, it's also packed with intelligent features that make it incredibly user-friendly. AI-powered autofocus and keystone correction ensures a sharp image in seconds. No more manual adjustments. The projector does all the work for you, ensuring a perfect picture every time. Runs on Android TV, meaning you can stream Netflix, YouTube, and more without extra devices. This makes it incredibly versatile, allowing you to access a wide range of content directly from the projector. HDMI, USB-C, and Bluetooth connectivity for seamless pairing with gaming consoles, laptops, and speakers. Whether you're gaming, working, or just watching a movie, this projector has you covered. It's not just a projector, it's a smart entertainment hub. With its wide range of features and connectivity options, it can easily become the centerpiece of your home entertainment system. Portability means nothing without great battery life, and XGMI delivers. A portable device is only as good as its battery life, and this projector excels in that department. 4-hour battery life on a single charge, perfect for movie marathons. You can watch multiple movies back-to-back without needing to recharge, making it ideal for long trips or extended viewing sessions. Harman Kardon built-in speakers provide rich, immersive sound. The audio quality is just as impressive as the visuals, ensuring a complete cinematic experience. No need for external speakers, this is an all-in-one experience. The built-in speakers are powerful enough to fill a room with clear, rich sound, eliminating the need for additional audio equipment. Is the XGME foldable projector worth it? Absolutely. When you consider all the features and the level of performance it offers, it's clear that this projector is a fantastic investment. Stunning full HD display with HDR10. The combination of high resolution and HDR support ensures that you get the best possible picture quality. AI autofocus and Android TV built in. These smart features make it incredibly easy to use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Portable, foldable, and stylish design. Its compact form factor and elegant design make it a great addition to any setting. Powerful battery and Harman Kardon speakers. These features ensure that you get a top-notch viewing and listening experience no matter where you are. Price starts at $699, a steal for this level of tech. Considering all the advanced features and the quality it offers, this price point is incredibly competitive. What do you think? Is this the future of portable entertainment? We believe it is, but we want to hear your thoughts. Is this the best portable projector of 2025? We think it just might be, but the final verdict is up to you. Let us know in the comments. Your feedback is important to us, and we love hearing what you think about the latest tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic tech reviews. See you next time. Stay tuned for more exciting tech updates and reviews. Until then, happy viewing.